And now we are into the last part of class today, which is writing. You are going to continue working on finishing your notes from the video and from the text. Remember to take your time and write what the benchmark book says. Right now, not looking for your words, just looking for the exact lines from the benchmark text. When you finish that, you can pick an assignment from the fall choice board in the bin underneath the whiteboard. You can do Lexia, or you can read a book from Miss Romano's library and write a book review. I can't wait to hear all of the great things about you and all the wonderful work that you've done and give you all A's because all of your work is so perfect. I know you guys are being great. So again, finish your notes. You can do Lexia, fall choice board, or read a book from Miss Romano's library and write a book review. If you need a book review paper, it's going to be in the purple bin on the back board where it says book review. All right, guys, let's get to work. Almost done with the day. It's very close to the weekend.